love and light. Hearts are shining warm and bright. Teachers, staff, hand in hand, building dreams across the land. With dedication every day, guiding students on their way. Planting seeds of hope and care, growing futures everywhere. With grateful hearts we gather near, celebrating those we hold so dear. It's Valentine's at CIIS, a day of love, a day of bliss. From leaders who sincerely show appreciation as we grow. Together strong we rise above, united by respect and love. One family, one guiding light, with hearts that shine so warm and bright. Ooh. Our principal with vision clear, encouraging us year by year to learn, to grow, to reach the sky, to chase new dreams and aim so high. With kindness from the vice principal's hand, supporting every dream we've planned, caring for each staff's well-being, believing in our power of being. A special lunch, a gift so sweet, a symbol of the hearts that meet. It's Valentine's at CIIS, a day of love, a day of bliss. With gratitude in every way, we celebrate this special day. Together strong we stand as one, our journey bright has just begun. In unity we always stay, with love to guide us on our way. Changing times and times so fast, we learn new skills to make them last. With open minds and spirits free, we shape tomorrow's destiny. Valentine's at CIIS, where hearts are filled with happiness. A school that leads with love and care, a bond so strong beyond